waste.
Identify the waste and then
Remove waste. Like remove waste in the sense if you are identifying any activity which is obsolete or it doesn't add any real value, if possible, like you can entirely eliminate it, like remove that waste. And Six Sigma is all about reducing variation. For example, you can take an example like attending the phone calls within 3 rings. It should be consistent. And also the service should be, you can take another example, like service should be done within 10 minutes. So it's consistently, so it's not reducing that variation. Do you get this? Yeah. This is, lean is more about flow focused. Tell you what is flow focused. What do I mean by flow focused is, take a very small example like a Cadbury's chocolate. It comes from a raw material. It goes to different stages. Maybe take example like X, Y, Z, and then the final product. Yeah. What do I mean by flow focused is like, take for example, this is this chocolate, like a raw material is coming. Next stage, X.
so what are the flows are
Yeah.
involved
Or the
actually.
various activities which
Activities
is involved,
involved.
from
Yeah.
end to end.
And so making sure like after every 1 minute you are getting the chocolate out rather than having the raw material and keeping the inventory for 5 days. So these are all non-value added activities. So we try to reduce waste.
Yeah, so you mean to say that when we are doing, like for example, calorie
Single piece flow.
Okay, so
Yeah.
how fast we can do that,
Yeah.
correct?
You cannot, it's based on the industry and the product you are doing it. For example, in this kind of example, you want the product out with every 1 minute. Every 1 minute you are getting one Cadbury's chocolate out. Yeah. And there are many like a bottlenecks as well, maybe machine being idle, not working, or like you are getting lot of inventory. So reducing all that
So with this flow we can identify what are the wastes are
waste
involved
in the
actually.
process. Yeah. So creating the flow, that is more flow focused.
Okay.
That is lean. And Six Sigma is more about problem focused.
Problem and finding solution for it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like a DMAC methodology, define, measure, analyze, improve and control. So it focuses on a particular problem, the Six Sigma.
Yeah, correct.
All of you are clear with this? Yeah.
Problem focused.
This is more about small continuous improvements. Have you guys heard about Kaizen events?
Yes.
Yeah. Kaizen is like a
Kaizen
small
method.
improvements, like a continuous improvement. It's a Japanese term. It's not like a complicated Six Sigma project. Like you can have any small improvements like a Kaizen event. We used to do it in UK, 3 to 5 day events. Yeah, that is small continuous improvements. And Six Sigma, it focuses on the root cause of the problem. Root cause in the sense like you identify what is the root cause of a particular problem and make sure that problem never happens. So you almost eliminate that from happening. Okay. Good. This is more about less non-value added items. So I told you that like process mapping, you identify what adds value and what doesn't add value. So in this way, like you are trying to reduce all the non-value added activities. So the Six Sigma is about reducing defects,
Reducing defects in that process.
delays, and deviation. So it told before that variation. Are you guys clear with this? Okay.